The wait is over! Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the latest flagship phone that pushes the boundaries of innovation. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the S25 Ultra the ultimate smartphone of the future. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra features a sleek glass metal body with a stunning matte finish that's not only premium, but also resistant to fingerprints. But the real showstopper? Its 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 4X display with UltraVision Plus resolution and 240Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or watching your favorite shows, every color pops and every motion flows smoothly. With 1750 nits peak brightness, the screen shines bright even in direct sunlight, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 2500 processor, or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 depending on your region, delivering lightning-fast performance. Multitasking, gaming, and even AI-powered tasks are now smoother than ever. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, there's nothing this phone can't handle. Plus, the 5500 mAh battery ensures that you can power through the entire day, while the 65-watt fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. Now let's talk about the camera system. And wow, Samsung has truly outdone themselves this time. The 200-megapixel main sensor offers mind-blowing detail, allowing you to zoom in and crop without losing quality. The 10x periscope zoom lets you capture sharp images from miles away, while the Nightography 3.0 mode ensures clear and bright shots even in the darkest settings. Video enthusiasts will love the 8K recording at 60 frames per second, perfect for capturing cinematic moments. The S25 Ultra runs on One UI 7, Samsung's cleanest and most intuitive interface yet, packed with AI features that adapt to your usage patterns. There's also the return of the S Pen, perfect for creative minds and productivity-focused users alike. With 5G ultra-wideband and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility, you'll enjoy blazing fast connectivity wherever you are. And for those concerned about security, Samsung Knox now comes with quantum encryption for next-level data protection. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse of innovation that redefines what's possible in mobile technology. Ready to experience the future? Let us know what feature excites you the most in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech content.